Hey guys, it's me again. Just wanted to take this time to say happy belated holidays to everybody. I hope everybody's enjoyed the new year, and I hope everybody has wonderful plans for the year. It's been a while since I've given a complete update of what has been going on. As you all have seen, I have had the chance to work on some models and have a few premieres here and there, but I had some things change over the past couple of months, but the dust is starting to finally settle, and I'm actually able to get back onto some editing and hopefully have some more other videos coming out here real soon. As you all have seen recently, my N-scale layout is back. I've been doing some work on that, so if you have not looked at that video, please give it a look. And I also received a bunch of N-scale stuff over the course of the holidays. Definitely look at that because there was a lot of cool stuff that came in. As a matter of fact, two locomotives and a nice handful of cars had come in this year, uh, which I'm very fortunate of. I've also been working on some HO projects off camera. I've been working on some of those. There's going to be some surprises that will be coming out later. I'm not going to give those away because I've been still working on those. So you might want to take a look at some of those when they do come out. Um, I did a test recently on a live stream to end 2023. That went over very well. We opened it up where you can ask me different questions in the same stream. We did some model railroad questions, we did some big train questions, and we just did kind of like a general Q&A afterwards. And it seemed to go really, really well. I am considering doing that again. This was a test bid. Now we're going to do another test run at some point. I have not decided a date or a time yet, so look whenever I do post again. I'll put a date and time on it whenever I decide to do it. So it seems like to me that that was a pretty good starter. So and that seemed to be really popular. I had a lot of guys come on this, and a lot of recurring users, and a few new users had popped in. So that was wonderful. Always love to see everybody up there. So definitely tune in for something of that nature here real soon. Um, Lots of videos I've put up of my two new locomotives running. And I also have the new 2024 channel preview that's up. That was done about a couple 3 years back. I saved some of the footage and used it for this premiere for this channel preview, and I also have one that will be coming out on January 1st, 2025. So 2024's and 2025's channel previews are finished. Um, so definitely look at the one that has recently come out. So that's always a plus to see. That was some recycled footage from various videos and was able to use some older footage to compile it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the new year and also for the fact of getting your plans together. I hope everybody has good rail fanning plans, good rail fan trips planned for the year, as well as model railroad plans. Um, so I hope everybody's doing well out there. Glad to be back to show my face again. I know it's been a while since y'all have actually seen me up close in front of the camera, so I'm really fortunate for that. So, anyway, guys, lots of stuff going to be planned out for this year. I'll have a lot of videos that I'll be working on, as time goes along. I've got a lot of stuff that I'll be catching up on. So, as well as model work. So a lot of stuff is here ready to heat up again for this year. So lots of stuff to look forward to. So anyway, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell for all the latest updates that are coming out, and please remember to leave a comment in the description box and let me know what your thoughts are. And looking forward to seeing you guys down the main line. Thank you guys. May God bless and happy 2024.